Good morning, students. Now, today we are going to discuss chapter 3, coordinate geometry. In previous classes, we have learned how to locate a point on a number line. And in the next one, we have discussed also how to describe the position of a point on the number line, means whether it is lying on the left hand side of number line or on the right hand side. Now in this chapter we have to describe how to describe the position of a point lying in a plane, not on a line. Remember, not on a line or in a plane. To explain this, I have drawn here one box here in which this A point is lying. Now if I ask the position of A point where it is lying here, I may say there A is lying near the vertical line, A is lying near to the bottom line, or A is away from the upper edge. So this is not the exact answer. If we want to tell the position of this A with respect to these two lines, vertical line and horizontal line, I have to find out the distance of this A point from the vertical line. This is near about 3 cm from the vertical line and 2 cm away from the bottom line. Means this is one, this is your second information. Means to find out position of a point in a plane, I need two independent informations for finding the position of the dot. Now we are going to discuss this topic more precisely. Let us discuss. Now this topic will be discussed, this position of a point in a plane will be discussed under the topic coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. The branch of mathematics in which geometric problems are solved through algebra by using the coordinate system is known as coordinate geometry. Now I am using here word coordinate system or Cartesian system. So let us more discuss here about this point here, coordinate system or Cartesian system. For this I have drawn two lines, one is horizontal and other is vertical. Now these two lines are intersecting each other at 90 degree and this point is known as the point O. This is also known as origin and its coordinates are 0, 0. अब इसको और अच्छे से समझते हैं. Now when we draw two axes, x dash O x, this is one axis, is known as x axis. This is known as x axis and y O y dash is known as y axis. Now on the right hand side, all positive number will written here, +5, +4, यानी कि यहाँ पे एक नंबर है +1, +2, +3. Here we have on the negative side, x dash means negative side, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. This is nothing but a number line. X dash O x is a number line in which 0 is lying at the middle, and on the right hand side all, you can say, natural numbers are lying here, 1 2 3 4 5 and so on, and on the left hand side of 0 negative numbers are lying. You can say negative, you can say integers also, -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 and so on. On the upper side of this, you can say line here, positive numbers are lying, 1 2 3 4 5 etc. On the you can say downside, we have here -1 -2 -3 -4 -5. This is nothing but a line. On the one side it is lying, all numbers are positive, and on the negative side, on the other side, all numbers are negative. Here you can say negative numbers are. Now one more thing is here, when these two lines, x-axis and y-axis, are intersecting at right angle, you can say, and this origin is creating here, this is known as this system of representing, you can get the system used for locating the position of a point with reference to two mutually perpendicular lines, x-axis and y-axis. X-axis and y-axis, these are perpendicular to each other. Now one is known as horizontal line, x-axis, other is known as, you can say, vertical line, y-axis. This is known as Cartesian system. Means a system of two lines in which we have to locate a position of a point with the help of two axes, x-axis and y-axis, which are intersecting at a, you can say, 90 degree. That system is known as Cartesian system, or you can say, you can write on here also, you can also say this system as a coordinate system. Now let us understand here more, you can say, precisely. If we want to locate here point A, now suppose A point is lying here. This A point is, you can say, 3 centimeter away from this line. Now 3 centimeter away from the vertical line and 2 centimeter, you can say, above the x-axis. So position of this 3, 2. Why 3, 2? Because 3 means x coordinate we have to write down first of all. A point में first of all, in any point first of all we'll write down here x coordinate, यानी कि distance from the y-axis. Y coordinate means distance from the y-axis, x-axis, sorry. Now here this position, you can say, point A is 3, 2. Now 3, 2. Now both the numbers are positive. Now when x-axis and y-axis intersect each other at O, at right angle, there will be 4 quadrants occur. 1, 2, 3, 4. आपने इसी order को follow करना है. You are not supposed to change the order. In first quadrant, both the coordinates are positive, as I have taken 3, 2. Next, if we want to locate here point B, now B is, you can say, 3 units away from this vertical line, and you can say 2 units away from the x-axis. So coordinates are -3 + 2. If I want to locate here this point, for example C point is this one. Now C point पे first of all x coordinate कितना आ रहा है आपके पास यहाँ पर? -4. यानी कि this point C is -4, and second जो point आ रहा है आपके पास यहाँ पर, that should be according to y-axis. 1, 2, 3. This is, you can say, -3 is here. So coordinates of this C point are -3. So -4, -3. Now if we want to locate, suppose this is the D point. Now D point is, you can say, if we want to write on here x coordinate means 1, 2, 3, 4. This position of this point is, x coordinate is 4, and from the, you can say, it is away from x-axis 2 points, so -2, because it is lying in the 4th quadrant. In first quadrant both the coordinates are positive. In the second quadrant here, you can say x is negative but y is positive. In third quadrant both are negative, and fourth quadrant x is positive and y is negative. Now this system in which we have both the axes perpendicular to each other is known as Cartesian system here. So next is here, if we want to locate, now if we want to locate more points, for example, I am giving example, if we want to locate here point, say this point is here L point. Now this L point is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this point is 6, this point is 7, is lying 7 units away from the vertical line and 1 unit above from the x-axis. So this is all about the introduction of this Cartesian system. Thank you.